we're doing the best with what we got, you know?
Accept me for what I am. Accept me for the things that I do.
Hey, how's that shot there, bud?
It's not the best.
Accept me for the things that I do.
Man down.
Reverse detailed.
That I do anything for you.
It's like Slush and then
Now that you know how I adore you.
We're hiking.
I'm sweating. Oh no, it's birds. I thought I was seeing stars.
Just love
Oh, bro! I just got you out of frame. Try one more.
You go up now.
No, you got it.
No, you go up.
All right, we're taking turns.
We got Paul, P-Rob coming in with a hot back one on the extra large booter at Glen Eden. Not Alberta or BC, but this will do. I think he's gonna do great. Support your friends. I think that was pretty good. I'm gonna go upstairs.
me for what I am.
I was like, I knew it. I overthought it.
Accept me for what I am.
P-Rob is back.
Accept me for the things that I do.
I think that was sick. Okay, I'm just gonna follow you.
Make me over.